train AI, we need data. And guess what? We have exhausted all of it by scraping internet multiple times. We are witnessing what Ilya Sutskever calls peak data, a fascinating concept where we have nearly exhausted our primary fuel source, the internet. Think about it like this. While our computers getting more and more powerful, we are running into one fundamental problem. We only have one internet worth of data. As Ilya puts it, data is like fossil fuel. It was created somehow, and now we are rapidly using it up. Now, let's break down three transformations. Ilya predicts first, AI agents are coming, but this won't be your grandmother's chatbots. Imagine an AI that doesn't just wait for your commands, but actively identifies problems and solves them. It's like having a super intelligent colleague who notices issues before they even become problems. For those who don't know, AI agents are built on top of LLMs that do actions on behalf of you. Let me give you an example. Instead of asking your AI to schedule your meetings, it might proactively reorganize your calendar when it notices you are getting overwhelmed, or even negotiate meeting times with other AI agents. The second shift is synthetic data, and this is where things get really interesting. Since we are running out of real-world data, we need to create artificial data sets. Think of it like a simulator for AI training. For self-driving cars, we can create millions of dangerous scenarios without putting anyone at risk. Another example would be in healthcare, we can simulate rare medical conditions that doctor might see once in their lifetime. The cost benefit is also mind-blowing. Synthetic images cost about 1/100th of labeled images. The third shift is inference time computing, which is perhaps the most revolutionary. Instead of AI systems being stuck with what they learned during training, they'll process and adapt to the new information in real time. Let me give you an example. Imagine AI that can watch a YouTube video about a new scientific discovery and immediately incorporate that knowledge into its understanding of the real world. But apart from these three predictions, Ilya says that the future of AI systems will be unpredictable. But wait, in a good way, okay? Just like how AI chess players surprise grandmasters with moves no human would think of, these systems will solve problems in a way we have never imagined. But here's the game changer. These systems will be self-aware. Not in a Terminator way, okay? But in a practical sense. They will understand their own capabilities and limitations. When they are unsure about something, they will know it. When they might be making a mistake, they can catch themselves. This self-awareness means no more hallucination, one of the biggest AI problems we have right now. But you know what's the most exciting part? These systems will be able to generalize knowledge like humans do. Think about how you can learn to drive in a small city and then drive anywhere in the world. But current AI can't do it. It needs extensive training for each new scenario. But future AI will be different. It will understand concepts deeply enough to apply them to completely new situations. What Ilya is describing isn't just an upgrade to our current AI. It's emergence of new form of intelligence. We are not just talking about better chatbots. We are talking about systems that will work alongside humans in a way we are only beginning to imagine. The future of AI isn't just bright, it's transformative. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.